Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Had a client ride up from Maryland with a brand new Honda Goldwing for us to do an upgrade on. We went with an NVS Audio Stage 3. On this one, we went with a set of Cicada carbon fiber coaxes, 5 1/4 for the factory location in the fairing. These bikes come with 4-inch speakers in the fairing, so we removed the adapter plate and reamed out the opening a little bit to get the 5 1/4 to drop in. Then in the saddlebags, we did a set of 8-inch mid-bass drivers from Hertz, a set of 200Ls. We did Arc Audio PSM Pro DSP and 2 Sound Digital evox 800.4s. One bridged on the fairing speakers and the second one bridged on the set of 8-inch mid-bass drivers. Bike looks completely stock. You can't tell we touched it, and it sounds really good. Check it out.
So tired to share my nights. I wanna cry, I wanna love my fears. On another love, my tears. My tears used I wanna take you somewhere, you know
Llega el club con el combo, rápido la.
Here's my key, philosophy. A freak like me just needs infinity. Relax, take your time. Take your time to trust in me, and you will find infinity.
where you are, where you been,
when you say that you are what you be. Say, he the type of nigga that tell a chick, think it's girl on a date, and they go to Mickey D's. Say, I'm the type to try to stab in the Jeep, try to take you out to see things in the caves in the creek. Yeah, your man is doing things I can't really see. Don't sound too good, it sounds tainted to me. Yeah, so real, to trust in you for real. Everybody needs love, that's all we never want nothing tainted. Wait a minute, what you feel? Faded, your loving was tainted. True, I know.
MC, stop knocking my style. Craig back as the fat folk plays. Now I'm saying, rock funk to the Himalayan. No more delaying MCs, you decaying, I'm staying. 'Cause now
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Anthony and Normika rode up from Maryland to get the audio upgraded on their brand new Goldwing. Are you completely happy with the way it sounds?
I love it.
Yes,
Love it.
Definitely.
That's it.
Recommend you highly.
Say less.
Thank you for trusting us.
Sure.